Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your customer feedback with Typeform, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Typeform account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Typeform website. Once logged in, access your dashboard. Click on the Create New Typeform button. Choose a suitable template or start from scratch. In the Typeform Builder, start adding your questions. To protect your customer feedback, consider using conditional logic. This feature allows you to tailor responses based on previous answers. Set up required fields to ensure essential questions are answered. Use the response validation option for accuracy in data collection. Next, navigate to the Settings tab on the upper right. Under Privacy, make sure to enable the option to collect anonymous responses. This will help protect your customers' identities. Consider enabling response limits to gather feedback from a specific number of respondents. To secure data further, encrypt sensitive information. Go to the Integrations tab and connect to your CRM if needed. This will help you manage and store feedback securely. Before publishing, preview your Typeform to ensure everything works. Test the Typeform by submitting a few dummy responses. Once satisfied, you're ready to share your Typeform link. Distribute it through your preferred channels, such as email or social media. Monitor responses through the Typeform dashboard. Regularly review feedback to address issues and improve your offerings. Remember to periodically update your questions to keep the form relevant. Finally, ensure you comply with local data protection regulations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.